Y'all know we have a long night ahead of us cleaning this house and getting it in order. So I wanted to fuel up, and I did that by using the Quenchers brand of electrolytes. It's really good. I actually like this orange flavor. Lime and grape are typically my faves. All right, let's get this cleaning going, y'all. If y'all have any household chores that you've been putting off that you want to do, get up, girl, and let's do it together. I know we don't always have the energy, but we have to make time to steward over the things that God has given us and handle it with care. So let's get this done. I decided to start with the kitchen first. I wanted to get that done. So right here you can see I'm washing dishes, rinsing at this point, and then I'm rinsing out the baby's bottles before I put them in the sterilizing machine, which really comes in handy. You also can see I was washing my pump parts. I ended up having to take a quick pumping break right after this. Came back and just finished up by wiping down the counters. Right here you can see me reaching down to get something off the floor. I think it was some tape or something. And then I went to go try to turn the vacuum cleaner on, y'all, and realized my vacuum cleaner was dead. So salty. So look what I end up having to pull out. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Yes, I had to sweep the carpet because I decided to just do a cleaning video today. Didn't plan on it. And didn't even prep to see or check to see that my vacuum cleaner was charged or not. I can't believe it. As you can see, I had to stop to take a quick snack break because I was getting tired and I was getting exhausted. So, yes, girl, I had to pull out the Oreos. By the way, Oreos are good for milk production. I know some people don't know if they actually work, but I'm here to tell you they actually do work. At least for me, they do. It's so crazy the things we find under the couch and under the ottoman, having toddlers, ornaments all down there. Like, it's so crazy. What else did I find down there? The little tray that goes on top of the water dispenser. I asked my husband, I said, where is the tray? He was like, I don't know. Ask your son. LJ be having everything everywhere, but it's okay. That's our little boy. Now let's get into folding these clothes. I know for a lot of us millennials, this is like the least favorite household chore, but I promise it is not that bad once you get started. And it's also good to fold, try to fold as soon as you get it out the dryer, because once you let it pile up, I know it can become overwhelming, and then we just tend to put it off and put it off and put it off. So, yeah. Folding the boys' clothes was a little bit nerve-wracking this time because I was going through making sure I pull out all of the newborn sizes. Lennox is currently out of newborn and he's on to 0 to 3. And then I was also going through and pulling out all of the clothes that were 18 months because LJ is on to 24 months and 2T. So that was a little bit emotional for me. Moms, I know y'all can relate. LJ had fell and hurt himself, so I had went to go pick him up and comfort him. That's mommy's big boy, my duty woody. This boy really be getting a kick out of me entertaining him. Here I go acting like we on a roller coaster. Sorry, y'all, my phone had died, but as you can see, we are finally done with the clothes. We are finished. I gotta take my tree down soon, y'all, but as you can see, it's not that much left to take down. LJ done took most of the ornaments. Let's take a quick moment to acknowledge the rug here. Y'all know I love custom, and this is so sentimental to me. Moving on to the bathroom, as you can see, I'm wiping down the surface with the Clorox wipes. I'm actually using the Sentiva one. And now I'm scrubbing the tub and the shower area and rinsing it out. I didn't get it on camera, but I did go ahead and clean the sink. Now I'm just sweeping my floor up, getting any dust, anything that might have dropped, just getting that on up. I love that I have these disposable wipes, especially when it comes to wiping surfaces like this, because who wants to just keep reusing the same old towel? Like, come on now, that's not it. Right here, you can see that I am making sure I get underneath that toilet bowl. That part is just as important. We are almost done, girl. We're just getting ready to mop our bathroom up, and we'll be done for the good night. Okay, I know I said we were done after mopping, but I had to go and dust off my decor that I have on the walls in the bathroom. Well, that wraps up my very first Clean With Me video. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys like it, make sure to comment, and we can do more like this very soon. Until next time.